Hello, my YouTube friend. Woo! I'm drowning in pops. I have all these pops around me. I'm doing a whole bunch of videos in a row. I'm trying to get through every single pop that I have in my store filmed for you guys to see what I've picked up in the last couple months. And once I'm done filming everything, I'm going to start a big sort so I can restock the shop. So, I think I have this video and one other video and then I'll be done. So I'll be sorting in the next couple days. Actually, by the time you see this video, I probably started sorting. So in this video, I have 7 boxes to go through. Some of the boxes are only half full or a third full. I think there's like 3 boxes for one person, a box or 2 for another person, and then 1 box from another person. Okay, so let's start digging into these boxes. Okay, the first box I'm going to go through is just a few pops. I got this from a guy named Mattis. I believe that's how you say his name. He came in from France. You might see in my last video that he traded a few pops to me. And these are more pops he got out of a Toy Tokyo mystery box. So he actually got one really good pull and a couple of interesting common pops. But I was very happy to trade with him. I actually gave him 100% of PPG price for one of the pops just because I really wanted it. And he was happy. He got a whole bunch of stuff to bring home to him to France. Okay, so let's start digging into this box. Okay, first we have a Toy Story 4 Ducky. That one, I think I have that set or most of that set. So that should be a duplicate. Okay, then we have a Lady Penelope from Thunderbirds. I haven't watched a ton of Thunderbirds, but growing up, I always loved seeing them because they look so cool because they're puppets and whatnot. So I thought that was a pretty cool pop. I'm actually keeping that one. Okay, and then we have a bunny from Toy Story 4. Awesome. This one I do have, so that's a duplicate. Okay, and then the one, I think this next one was worth $75 on PPG. So I gave him $75 store credit to spend. And he was happy. He got a bunch of really cool stuff. I think he ended up getting the Kang and Kodo Simpson set and then a couple other things. Now this pop is awesome. I was really happy to get it. I think he paid $35 a mystery box. So this was a really good pull for him. So it's the Masters of the Universe Ram Man, Toy Tokyo exclusive. He's super awesome. Now it was a little bit dented right here. That's probably why they stuck in the mystery box. But that didn't bother me that much just because it's a really cool pop and I really wanted him. So happy to add him to my collection. Okay, so that was that box. And since I was trading him just store credit, it would have been all stuff that I either traded for cheaper or I paid cheaper for. So either way, I still got it for a good price. So I'm really happy to get that Ram Man. Awesome. That's one of those few pops I missed out last year that I was like, I really need to get it. I just haven't had a chance to get it yet. So super happy to get it. Okay. I think, are these next 2 boxes from the same person? Yes. Okay, so these next 2 boxes come from Justin. I think he traded these to me in 2 different trips. So these he traded for store credit. I think he took $40 in store credit to grab something from the shop and $78 in cash. So I think it's some cool stuff. Let's check out what we got. Okay, we have the cool glow-in-the-dark Molten Man from Spider-Man Far From Home. It's a GameStop exclusive. That one I do have. We got a Endgame Rescue. She is really cool. That one I do have as well. I like kind of trading for Marvel Pops because they always sell well. Okay, we have a Avengers Endgame Black Widow in the Quantum Suit. Very cool. That one I do have. I think a lot of these are ones I had already. Let's see. Ooh, no, I didn't have this one yet. This one I was super excited to get. The Kool-Aid Man. Love this one. That one is awesome. I might even trade him full value on that one because that's one I really wanted. Okay, we have a Dragon Ball Z Goku. I think this is a newer pop. I might not have that one. I have to double check. It's kind of hard to keep track of the Dragon Ball Z stuff because they keep releasing, 8 at a time. Was there 70 now? I can't keep track of it. Oh, okay, cool. We have the Michael Keaton Batman from 1989. I might have that one. I'm getting a little bit mixed up with which ones I have in the black box, but I feel like that's one that I had already. But as I always say, I'm going to double check that one. Okay, next we have Thor from Infinity War. That one I'm pretty sure I have. We have a Box Lunch exclusive Anti-Venom. That one I do have, but that one will probably sell by the time you see this video. Okay, we have the Target exclusive Captain Crunch holding the bowl. That one I definitely have. Okay, next we have a Toxin. It's a Walgreens exclusive. That one I'm pretty sure I have as well. But all these exclusives, I mean, they're so popular. They always sell real quick. Okay, we have a War Machine from Endgame. Very cool. Pretty sure I had that one as well. Ooh, this is the one I needed. This is cool. So it's a AAA anime exclusive Spider Carnage. Awesome. I do not have that one yet. That one's going to the collection. That one I might have given him full value as well. Sometimes when it's a new release I really want, like this or Kool-Aid Man, I'm happy to do an equal value trade at my shop. I don't know if a lot of shops do that, but I personally do that. Okay, and the last thing in this box, we got this really cool Infinity War movie moments where it's Thor hitting Thanos in the chest with the axe. Really cool movie moments. I'm pretty sure I have that one already. So that one will probably go into my shop. I'm going to double check that because I think there was 2 Thanos movie moments. I think I have both of them now. Okay, this one, it just says it was 69 pops. I gave them $69 store credit. So they're probably slightly better pops. So this was a trade with Justin again. He took a full trade this time. All right, let's see what we got. Or, you know, it looks like some stuff I might give him full value as well. Okay, so first we have the Valkyrie from the Collector Core box. I just unboxed that box a video too, so that's a duplicate now. Next we have the SSG SS Vegito Dragon Ball Super Hot Topic exclusive pop. That one I do have, but I'm sure it'll sell really quick. I think I had 3 or 4, and I've sold every single one. Dragon Ball Z stuff is the kind of stuff I really need to trade for more often, just because everyone wants it and it sells really easily. Okay, this is cool. We have a Dragon Ball Z Kid Buu. I don't think I have this one either. This is another one of the newer sets that I'm missing. Okay, next we have... Oh, this is cool. We have the Kid Flash from the Flash TV series. This one I don't have, so that one's a keeper. Okay, and then we have the Funko Insider Club Hulk. That one I feel like I have. I feel like they did too many Hulks for this series. They probably could have just used 1 or 2 instead of like 12. So I'm a little confused if I have it already, but I'm pretty sure I do. Okay, and then the last pop in here is a 2018 New York Comic Con The Flash and Superman double pack. Very cool set. I do have this one already though, so this will go into the shop. Super cool set though. I do like that set. Awesome. Okay, so that was that trade. Okay, let's see what this next box is. Okay, this is also from Justin. And this was part of the $78.50 cash $40 trade deal. So this goes with the other box I also showed you. Not the last box, but 2 boxes ago. Oh, okay. We have Vegeta Dragon Ball Z. Yeah, I don't have that one. That's one of those slightly newer ones. When do these come out? 2019 in May. Yeah, so I don't think I have a lot of that wave yet, so I do need that one. Okay, we have this cool Hydro Man from Spider-Man Far From Home. It's a glow-in-the-dark Barnes & Noble exclusive. I feel like I have that one. I gotta double check, though. I feel like there's just a lot that's coming that I might be missing 1 or 2 from the set. I just don't remember. Oh, this is cool. And then we have the Violet Chase from Incredibles 2. She's cool. That one I do have, so that'll go into the shop. All right, awesome. So that was a half full box, not a full one. Okay, now the final part of this video will be these 3 boxes. These come from Ryan, and it looks like I paid him $294.50 for the collection. All right, let's dig into this box. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, first we have a 2019 ECC Comic Con exclusive Buzz Off. That one, I think I sold all the ones I had already. So that's a duplicate. Which means I've sold a good amount of them. 6 or 7. And then we have the T'Challa from Black Panther. I don't remember if I have him in the black suit like this. This one I might actually need. Next we have the Imperator Furiosa. I don't have this one. I was just saying that I wanted to complete this set. And I know I only had 3. So I definitely need this one. I need to get the rest. I should pursue a collection that has a set of those, because love the movie, love those pops. Okay, next we have Deadpool 111. That one I'm pretty sure I have. Okay, and then we have Talos from Captain Marvel. I don't remember if I got him or not. I actually might need that. A lot of the Marvel sets, I just don't go on my way to get them when they first come out, because so many people love Marvel that a lot of people collect the Marvel ones and they trade them in often. So I build up my sets usually through collection buying. Okay, and then we have one big 10-inch one, which I don't remember if I got this one, so I'm actually kind of excited. Sweet. So we have the Target only Bullseye. Really cool. I'm actually really happy to get that one. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. keeper. I love the 10-inch pops. I need to get the rest of the ones that I'm missing. Maybe I got Bullseye. I can't remember. No, I don't think I got him. I just got the flocked small one. Okay, so that's awesome. Really happy to get that one. Okay, let's dig into the second box. All right, what do we got? Okay. Let's see, we have Maria Rambeau from Captain Marvel. I don't think I have that one either. So that helps me complete that set or get closer to completing it. We have the plain Captain Marvel from Captain Marvel. This one I'm pretty sure I have. Okay, next we have the FYE exclusive Trap Jaw. Definitely have that one. I think I actually have a couple of those to sell now. Oh, this is cool. We have the Toys R Us exclusive Flocked Mossman. Love this pop. I do have that one already though, but I'm sure someone will be really happy to get that. Okay, and then we have the Jan Rog from Captain Marvel. I don't remember if I have this version, so I might actually need that one. Okay, next we have... Oh, we have Goose the Cat. I know I have a bunch of different Goose the Cats. I just don't know if I have the common, so I might actually need that. There's a flocked one, the one where his mouth is coming out, the other one that's like got the cube in the mouth. Very cool. Okay, we have Tyrion Lannister on Throne from Game of Thrones. This one I do have already, so this one will be for sale. Although the one I have already is kind of beat up, so this might actually be a box upgrade. And, okay, we have a common Cherie from Black Panther. Really cool pop. I believe I do have that one already, though. I saw a lot of Marvel pops, which is good. I like getting Marvel pops. Okay, we have Captain America from Infinity War. Pretty sure I have that one already. And... okay, we have the Eric Killmonger from Black Panther. This one I do have already. Okay. Next we... oh, this is cool. We have the Marvel Collector Core Nick Fury with Goose the Cat. I don't remember if I got this one. I might actually need this one. Okay, that's cool. That's cool if I don't have it. I have to double check. Maybe one other person traded in the pops from that box. It's blurring together a little bit. Okay, and then we have Sasha from The Walking Dead. This one I definitely have. It blurs together because I remember buying it. I might have shown it in another video. I might have, you know, so it's... sometimes this stuff repeats, so I just forget if it was one that I saw when I bought it or it's one I actually did in a previous video. Okay, and then we have Hercules from Disney. I'm pretty sure I have that one. Okay. Oh, and one more. Okay, and then we have the GameStop exclusive Deluxe Jim Lee Aquaman. Love this pop. Super cool. I do have this one already, though, but I'm pretty happy to get it. I like having these in the store. Even if they don't sell, I just think they look so cool. Now, sometimes it's nice to have just a few items that are really cool looking sitting on the shelf in your store, so it's at least a little eye candy, so it looks interesting. And then sometimes when you have something like this that's really cool out on the shelf, it plants a seed in someone's head, and maybe like a week later they'll come back and buy it. Or sometimes they come back and already sold and they'll get disappointed. But either way, it's fun to have cool stuff on the shelf. Okay, let's dig into the last box. Woo, this sort, when I start sorting all these, it's going to be exhausting. But fun as well, because it's kind of fun to figure out what I need, what I have. And it's fun also to restock the shop and have lots of people come in and get excited for new pops. It's a roller coaster of fun every time. Okay, first we have the Battle Armor He-Man. I don't remember if I got that one. I actually might need that. That would be cool if I actually need that. Okay, we have a Walmart exclusive Thanos in the yellow gold color. Pretty sure I have that one already. Okay, we have the plain Merman. Definitely have that one. Definitely have a lot of that one. If you guys remember my April Fool's video, I have a lot of that one. Oh, we have Deadpool as Bob Ross. I really like this one. This one is cool. I do have this one already though, so it'll be for sale, but still awesome pop. Okay, next we have... oh, we have the Gemini exclusive Metallic Battle Armor Skeletor. This one I definitely have, but every time I put him out for sale, he sells real quick, so I'm sure he'll sell. Or if he doesn't sell for cash, people will trade. You know, when people trade in a collection like this is the kind of pop people usually grow out of. Okay, we have the Nick Fury from Captain Marvel, the common. Not sure if I have that one. I actually might need that. I'm probably closing in on that complete set now. Okay, next we have the Walmart exclusive Thanos in blue. Super cool looking pop, but I do have that one already. Okay, we have Alex from Minecraft. This one I definitely have. Although I'm going to ask the... actually, no, I got a damaged one a couple videos ago, so I think the cool kid can have that one to open up and play with. Okay, we have one of the Mickey Anniversary Mickeys. I think this was the last week. I forget which week, but this one's cool. These are getting a little bit harder to sell, but I'm sure someone will want it. Or someone might trade for it. Okay, next we have the 2016 San Diego Comic-Con Deadpool in white. Cool pop. That one's really easy to sell. I usually sell it within a week every time I get it. Okay, next we have Big Al from the Funko Shop. That one I definitely have. On the other hand, plastic kind of sits around a little bit. Okay, next we have the Walmart exclusive Thanos in red. Definitely have that one as well, but just it's fun. I have a feeling I'll be able to sell those. Okay, next we have the Ulysses Claw from Black Panther. Very cool. I don't think I have that one. I still need a few of the commons from that set, so actually really happy to get them. Okay, and then we have the Bedtime Deadpool where he's holding the panda. Love this pop. That one I do have already though, so that'll be for sale. And then we have the 2019 ECC Comic-Con exclusive Korath. Really cool pop. Pretty sure I have that one already though. I think a few people traded that one in. Okay, and one more. One more to this collection. And then we have the Corvus Glaive from Avengers Infinity War. Cool pop. Definitely have that one already though. So that's a duplicate. Okay, so that's everything in that box. Alright, so that was a lot of fun going through all those boxes. Definitely some really awesome pops in this collection for my own collection. A few more newer releases that I'm really super excited to get. Also, the 10-inch Bullseye is awesome. But also a ton of stuff for my shop this week. So I think a lot of people are going to be happy because whenever I stock a ton, people are excited just to come in and see a lot of pops to pick through. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite pops were from this video. I want to thank my patrons for supporting my channel. With their help, I'm able to do more videos like this more often. If you want to help support my channel as well, click the link to Patreon right there. If this is the first time watching my videos and you enjoy this mega epic Funko Pop haul, why don't you click the robot's face and subscribe? Why not? I want to make more videos like this just for you. And I'm going to put a couple other mega epic Funko Pop hauls right there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!